Worldwide Electric offers a full range of electric motors for general purposes such as driving blowers, pumps, and conveyors across industrial, manufacturing, and commercial applications. Featuring versatile 56 frame, totally enclosed fan-cooled enclosures made from rolled steel with flexible installation options, including rigid base, C-face with removable base, or C-face round body. Our general-purpose motors are available in single and three-phase, fractional and integral, with premium efficiency in 1 to 3 horsepower units. Depending on the model, other features include Class F insulation and VPI systems for protection, improved seals to protect from moisture and contaminants, sealed bearings, steel fan covers, and heavy-duty aluminum end bells for durability, and capacitor start induction run or capacitor run for reduced amperage and high torque. Worldwide Electric general-purpose motors are in stock at 7 regional U.S. warehouses with one-day delivery. Visit worldwideelectric.com or talk to your local distributor about all our electric motors, gear reducers, generators, and control solutions from Worldwide Electric.